Welcome to Lesson 10 Part B. We are going to introduce the risk-adjusted performance. Let the returns of the benchmark be plotted as a green line. Let's take then a volatile illustrative system to assess, the blue plot. According to the risk-adjusted performance, abbreviated as RAP, the performance estimate of this system should be adjusted so as to penalize it due to its bigger volatility with respect to the benchmark. Let's take now a non-volatile illustrative system. According to the risk-adjusted performance, the performance estimate of this system should be adjusted so as to emphasize it due to its smaller volatility with respect to the benchmark. Let's see what happens with our four-system combination. Let's plot the system to assess and the benchmark on the same risk-return plane. Beware that contrarily to the widespread practice here in MASASP, we plot the risk on the y-axis and the return on the x-axis. We take the standard deviation as the risk metric. Both standard deviation and returns are reported as annual figures. Well, the benchmark is represented here by this red square. Our system is represented by this blue square. Our system volatility, the y-axis coordinate of our system, is lower than that of the benchmark. The ratio of the benchmark volatility to the system volatility is the multiplication factor employed in the risk-adjusted performance formula. The return of our system is adjusted by means of this factor. Our system has a return of 16% on an annual basis. Taking into account the volatility ratio defined so far, though, it is as if it had a return of nearly 22%. That is its risk-adjusted performance return. On the risk-return plane, it is represented by the point obtained projecting the slanting line connecting the axis origins to our system up to a coordinate of the y-axis associated to the benchmark volatility. The risk-adjusted performance is shown on the beta scorecard introduced in the previous video. As it was the case with the Sharper ratio, this performance metric can also be refined, replacing the overall volatility with the negative volatility. That means that we disregard the volatility of the profitable trades and we take just the losing trades into account, adjusting the resulting volatility estimate by means of a multiplication factor of 2. Go back to Lesson 8 Part B for details. Risk-adjusted performance estimated based on the negative volatility shows a profitability that is definitely higher than the former estimate. Remember that the suffix minus within brackets always hints at the fact that the overall volatility has been replaced by the negative volatility. That's all for the time being. Thanks for watching, and see you at Lesson 11.